JLM Lubricants Professional range saves workshops time and money, but only if used correctly and safely. These instructions show how you can make the most from our chemical expertise. JLM Lubricants DPF Refill Fluid is a universal solution, suitable for all vehicles equipped with auto-dosing fuel-borne catalysts, called regeneration fluid. This facilitates soot within the DPF to combust at reduced temperatures. In many cases, a dashboard warning will indicate a low level. Perform a global diagnostic scan, checking live data from the engine or additive ECU. Allow the electrical system to power down afterwards and disconnect the 12-volt battery. Some vehicles possess a pouch instead of a tank. You can still refill one using JLM's DPF Refill Fluid kits. Raise the vehicle and identify the regeneration fluid dosing tank. On many vehicles, the connector color denotes the fluid type. JLM DPF Refill Fluid is suitable for all generations. Check the connector is in good order and ensure that it is clean. Once you have established the tank's capacity, assemble the JLM's DPF Refill Fluid kit's filling hoses, using the supplied 8mm and 10mm connectors. Before opening the JLM DPF Refill Fluid bottle, wear watertight gloves that comply with EN 374 and tight sealing goggles, in addition to long-sleeved protective clothing. Disconnect the vent pipe's quick coupler from the top of the tank and attach the JLM fitting kit, Click Fit connector. Place the other end of the tube into a clean, empty bottle. Then, connect the JLM Refill Click Fit connector to the tube that supplies the pump. Open the bottle and check the seal is intact before removing it. Screw the kit's adapter lid onto the bottle firmly. Turn the bottle upside down and, while holding it above the level of the tank, remove the valve from the cap. This will facilitate fluid flow into the tank without needing to squeeze the bottle. Should you wish to refill the tank while it is still fitted to the vehicle, ensure your hoses are long enough. Once the reservoir is replenished, disconnect the connectors and refit the tank or pouch to the car. As most cars do not have a level sensor, you will need to reset the counters within the additive ECU diagnostically. You can also test the additive pump to ensure it is working and that the system is primed. As the dosing system relies on fuel filler cap integrity, you may have to remove and refit it several times. Always follow the advice supplied by your diagnostic equipment. Any remaining fluid can be stored for a maximum of 2 years. Empty bottles can be disposed with plastic or contaminated waste. As with any repair, prioritize the manufacturer's instructions because details will vary depending on the vehicle.